TONEX versus IR-2. Which amp simulator is better for your sound? Choosing the right amp simulator can completely change how you craft your tone without complicated setups. TONEX offers deep modeling, while IR-2 focuses on simplicity and quality. TONEX and the Boss IR-2 are both popular amp simulators, but their core difference lies in approach. TONEX uses AI-driven dynamic modeling for flexible tones, whereas IR-2 relies on impulse responses for authentic, straightforward cabinet emulation. TONEX by IK Multimedia is an advanced amp and effects modeling platform that uses AI to recreate the nuances of real amplifiers and pedals. It works by analyzing amplifier characteristics and dynamically adjusting tone in real time, offering a highly expressive playing experience. TONEX includes a vast library of amp models and effects, which users can customize extensively or create from scratch. Its strengths lie in versatility and detailed tone shaping, making it ideal for musicians seeking a broad palette of sounds and precise control. However, this complexity can be overwhelming for beginners and requires a powerful computer to run smoothly. TONEX is best suited for professional guitarists, producers, and tone enthusiasts who want deep customization and realistic interaction with their gear. Its integration with IK Multimedia's ecosystem also makes it a strong choice for users invested in their hardware and software. The Boss IR-2 is a dedicated impulse response loader designed to deliver high-quality cabinet simulations with ease. It works by loading pre-recorded impulse responses of various speaker cabinets, providing authentic sound reproduction without the need for complex modeling. The IR-2 is praised for its simplicity, reliability, and excellent sound quality, making it a favorite among players who want great tone with minimal setup. Its strengths include a straightforward interface, compact hardware design, and compatibility with various IR formats. However, it lacks the dynamic amp modeling and effects capabilities found in TONEX, focusing solely on cabinet simulation. This makes the IR-2 ideal for guitarists who prefer using separate amp heads or modelers but want to enhance their tone with realistic cabinet sounds. It's perfect for live performers and studio musicians looking for a plug-and-play solution that integrates seamlessly with existing rigs. Comparing TONEX and IR-2 highlights the trade-off between depth and simplicity. TONEX excels in dynamic amp modeling and effects, offering a comprehensive virtual rig for users who want to craft unique tones and experiment extensively. It suits studio environments and players who prioritize tonal flexibility. In contrast, the IR-2 focuses strictly on cabinet simulation, delivering authentic speaker sounds with minimal fuss. It's ideal for those who already have amp modeling solutions and want to upgrade their cabinet tone. In live settings, IR-2's hardware design and ease of use provide a reliable, low-latency option. TONEX requires more processing power and setup time but rewards with detailed realism and customization. Ultimately, choosing between them depends on whether you need a full modeling suite or a dedicated, high-quality IR loader. Choose TONEX if you want advanced amp and effects modeling with deep customization, perfect for studio work and players seeking extensive tonal versatility. Option Samura versus Archer, which offer Martist simulator with excellent sound quality and easy integration into your rig. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you want full modeling or focused IR loading.